Enhance your technology operations to reach unparalleled levels of agility, reliability, and security with the DevOps Handbook. Immerse yourself in the very essence of the DevOps philosophy, gaining invaluable insights to bridge the divide between development and operations and unlock extraordinary efficiency. Ever marveled at the remarkable innovation and unwavering reliability of industry titans like Amazon, Google, and Netflix? What is their secret to incessantly rolling out updates at an astonishing pace, delivering fresh, captivating, and responsive services tailored to their users' needs? If you've ever pondered these mysteries, prepare to embark on an enthralling journey into the realm of DevOps. This book summary unveils the transformative power of DevOps, a practice that has revolutionized the tech industry. Explore its core principles, fundamentals, and real-world applications through captivating examples of companies that have successfully embraced this cultural shift. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a manager, or simply someone intrigued by the world of technology, this knowledge will empower you to decipher technological advancements, enhance team collaboration, and optimize workflows. Chapter 1: Unleashing the Power of DevOps, a Culture of Collaboration and Innovation. Have you ever wondered what DevOps truly entails? In essence, it's a fusion of development and operations that aims to bridge the divide between those who write code and those responsible for its smooth execution in the real world. Yet, DevOps is more than just a job title. It embodies an entire cultural shift. It brings together a group of individuals with a shared purpose, working in harmony to conjure up remarkable outcomes. Imagine two teams tirelessly working on separate sections of a colossal jigsaw puzzle, unaware that they are, in fact, piecing together the same image. Sounds absurd, doesn't it? Unfortunately, this is precisely what happens when development and operations teams function in isolated silos, operating independently with limited communication or collaboration. Now, envision the incredible possibilities that arise when these teams come together, jointly working on the puzzle, sharing pieces, and supporting one another. This is the essence of collaboration in DevOps, a seamless integration that fosters idea sharing, enhances efficiency, and minimizes obstacles along the way. Let's examine a real-world example: Amazon. In 2011, Amazon's engineers deployed code a staggering 15,000 times per day. However, after embracing DevOps and dismantling the silos, their teams began operating like a well-oiled machine. The result? They now deploy over 136,000 times daily. So, how can you introduce this enchanting synergy into your own workspace? Firstly, break down silos wherever possible. Bring your development and operations teams together, whether physically or virtually, and encourage open dialogue. Allow them to grasp the challenges and triumphs faced in each other's domains, recognizing that they are two sides of the same coin. Secondly, equip yourself with powerful collaboration tools like Slack or Microsoft Teams. These tools work wonders for enhancing teamwork, ensuring everyone stays informed, facilitating on-the-go idea sharing, and providing a platform to celebrate the small victories that drive us all forward. This is the magic of DevOps and collaboration. It may not be rocket science, but it revolves around people, effective communication, and the ability to unite efforts to create something extraordinary. Chapter 2: Unleashing the Power of Continuous Delivery, Automating Success in DevOps. Now that you've grasped the fundamentals of the DevOps philosophy, let's delve into a crucial aspect that drives its effectiveness: continuous delivery and automation. Picture this. You're at the helm of a bustling pizza shop where fresh dough is prepared daily, cheese is hand-grated, and each pizza is meticulously crafted by your skilled chefs. Sounds delightful, right? However, as orders start pouring in, your staff struggles to keep pace. Quality slips, orders become muddled, and customers endure prolonged waits. What do? Now, envision automating the dough-making process, cheese grating, and even some pizza preparation tasks. With automation in place, your staff can focus on ensuring smooth operations, accurate orders, and pizzas that meet the highest standards. This is the transformative power of automation, and it epitomizes the essence of continuous delivery. Consider this: if every code change required manual testing and deployment, you'd need an army of engineers to work day and night. Yet, even then, human error would occasionally seep in. Continuous delivery provides a solution, a metaphorical conveyor belt in our pizza shop, enabling a seamless and reliable flow of code updates. Netflix serves as a compelling example. With over 200 million subscribers indulging in non-stop binge-watching, there is zero room for errors. Netflix leverages continuous delivery to deploy thousands of code changes daily. Their system is designed to deploy any piece of code as soon as it's ready, at any time. This agility enables them to swiftly address bugs and introduce captivating features that keep viewers hooked. So, how can you harness the enchantment of continuous delivery in your DevOps team? First and foremost, consider automating your deployment process. Evaluate your current practices and pinpoint areas where you invest the most time and encounter obstacles. Once identified, explore automation options to streamline those bottlenecks. A plethora of tools are available to automate everything from testing to deployment. Select the ones that best suit your team's needs. Next, cultivate a culture that embraces continuous learning and improvement. The world of technology is ever evolving, and your processes should reflect this dynamism. Regularly assess your workflows, seeking opportunities for enhancement. Remember, progress lies not in monumental leaps, but in consistent, incremental changes. Whenever you feel overwhelmed, recall the pizza shop analogy. Identify bottlenecks, automate where possible, and ensure a smooth flow of code updates, much like a well-functioning conveyor belt. By embracing the power of continuous delivery and automation, you pave the way for seamless collaboration, enhanced efficiency, and extraordinary outcomes within your DevOps endeavors. Chapter 3: The Three Ways: Guiding Principles for DevOps Excellence. In the world of DevOps, a robust philosophy is underpinned by its guiding principles. Enter the three ways: flow, feedback, and continual experimentation. These pillars form the bedrock of the DevOps universe, providing an invaluable framework for success. First and foremost, let's explore the principle of flow. Imagine yourself embarking on an exhilarating whitewater rafting adventure. As you navigate the rapids, it's not just your individual performance or speed that matters. The collective success of the entire raft is the goal. This principle emphasizes the significance of the entire system's performance. A remarkable example is Nordstrom, a company determined to swiftly respond to fashion industry changes, meet customer expectations, and maintain a competitive edge. Recognizing the need for enhanced collaboration, they dismantled departmental barriers and fostered cross-functional teams. This inclusive approach allowed stakeholders, product managers, developers, testers, and operations engineers to work together from the outset. The result? Heightened shared understanding, improved cooperation, and a more agile response to business needs. Next, we delve into the principle of feedback. Just as a team of chefs refines a recipe by continually tasting and adjusting, constant evaluation and course correction are vital in the DevOps realm. Google, with its Site Reliability Engineers, SREs, stands as a prime example. SREs integrate seamlessly within product teams, ensuring continuous, high-quality feedback. Preceding public launches, meticulous reviews such as the Launch Readiness Review and Handoff Readiness Review act as safety measures, incorporating lessons learned from previous endeavors. Google's proactive feedback culture encompasses not only firefighting but also instills a mindset of ongoing learning and improvement. Lastly, we encounter the principle of continual learning and experimentation. Consider your favorite musician or athlete. They ascend to greatness by embracing risk, experimenting, learning from failures, and persistent practice. The same applies to all of us. Nationwide Insurance embodies this principle by hosting internal technology conferences, nurturing a culture of curiosity, risk-taking, and knowledge sharing. Such initiatives propel innovation and advancement, positioning companies at the forefront of their industries. How can you translate these principles into action? Firstly, cultivate a culture of systems thinking, enabling every team member to comprehend the broader picture and their contributions to the overall product. This shift empowers individuals to prioritize project success over isolated tasks. Secondly, embrace feedback as a valuable asset. Establish regular check-ins and review sessions, fostering an environment where open communication and constructive criticism are encouraged. Remember, feedback is a gift that fuels growth. Lastly, fearlessly embrace experimentation and allow for mistakes. Create a safe space where your team can take calculated risks, learn, and evolve. Remember, true growth lies not in avoiding failure, but in embracing an unwavering commitment to continuous learning. By embodying the 3 ways and integrating them into your DevOps practices, you embark on a transformative journey toward mastery in the art of DevOps. Chapter 4: Streamlining Success, Lean Management and Monitoring in DevOps. Now, let's explore the final pillar of DevOps, lean management and monitoring. This essential element revolves around eliminating unnecessary complexities, eradicating waste, and delivering maximum value. It's about running your operations like a sleek sports car rather than an outdated steam engine. Imagine clearing out your cluttered garage. That broken lawnmower and those old paint cans? They serve no purpose. By decluttering, you not only create a tidier space but also gain room to pursue what truly matters, such as fixing up your bike or setting up a home gym. In the realm of lean management, Toyota stands as the beacon of inspiration. Their production system focuses on waste reduction, streamlining workflows, and continuous improvement. This approach, although born in the automotive industry, has influenced tech companies worldwide, empowering them to enhance efficiency, streamline processes, and deliver superior products with remarkable speed. So, how does lean management manifest in DevOps? It involves visualizing work, limiting workloads, and monitoring queues. It's akin to being an exceptional DJ, reading the crowd, managing your playlist, and ensuring you don't overwhelm the dance floor. However, lean management alone is not sufficient. Enter monitoring. Picture it as your body's nervous system, constantly monitoring and alerting you if anything goes awry. Consider Etsy, a prominent player in the online marketplace. They have implemented a robust alerting system that notifies relevant teams when specific predefined thresholds are breached, signaling potential issues. These alerts offer informative and actionable insights, enabling teams to commence immediate investigation with ample context. Now, how can we incorporate lean management and monitoring into our DevOps journey? Firstly, embrace visual tools such as Kanban boards or Jira to gain visibility into everyone's tasks and identify bottlenecks swiftly. Next, remember the importance of limiting work in progress. Similar to spinning plates, the more tasks you juggle simultaneously, the harder it becomes to maintain stability. Prioritize completing ongoing work before taking on additional tasks. Lastly, invest in robust monitoring tools. They serve as a top-notch security system for your home, providing peace of mind, alerting you to potential issues, and empowering you to address them proactively before they escalate. Lean management and monitoring may not possess the allure of other DevOps facets, yet their significance cannot be understated. They act as the vital oil in your engine, ensuring you remain vigilant and enabling your DevOps journey to cruise along seamlessly. Summary: DevOps represents a transformative culture that encourages collaboration between development and operations teams, drawing inspiration from renowned tech giants such as Amazon and Google who have excelled in this approach. At the core of this mindset lies the dismantling of barriers, facilitating constant and effective communication through the utilization of collaborative tools like Slack or Microsoft Teams. Following the footsteps of Netflix, the implementation of continuous delivery and automation has revolutionized workflows, enhancing efficiency and minimizing human errors. The essence of DevOps can be encapsulated in the 3 ways: flow, feedback, and a commitment to ongoing learning and experimentation. Embracing these principles, forward-thinking companies like Nordstrom and Nationwide Insurance have revolutionized their responses to business needs, fostering a culture driven by valuable feedback and cultivating an environment where curiosity and risk-taking are embraced. Furthermore, drawing inspiration from Toyota's production system, the incorporation of lean management and monitoring practices in DevOps aids in the reduction of waste, streamlining workflows, and proactively identifying potential issues, culminating in the creation of a highly efficient work environment. Now, thank you for taking the time to watch, and if you found value in this video, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. And in case you want to buy the book, use the link in the description. Trust me, you won't regret it.